Hello guys, welcome you to our channel Info All. Now I'll come for another lab, quick labs where I perform another task, another assignment. This is total score of 30, and if I do it correctly, then I will 30 out of 30. This is a 1 hour lab. Uh, 1 hour lab. I will complete it in the less than 1 hour or in a 5 minute. Just you have to see this. I just press the start the lab and it will start it at that time. For the time being, I just introduce it what to do here. 14 minutes here. Here I have to provisioning lab resources. Okay, this lab is perform basic software maintenance on Windows machine. This include installing software that is not present. What to do in this lab? I have to perform three tasks: install the software, update the software, and uninstall a software. Then I will successfully complete that lab. This is only three step how I do it. Then I will have to complete the lab. Okay, up till that, if it provides the resources, up till that I have to pause the video, then come back you again. Hi guys, now it's provide the lab resources, external IP, username and the password. Now we access the virtual machine. Here we write it here remote, remote, just write there remote. Here is the remote connection. Just click it here. And it will open. Here it is. Now computer, where it is written computer, we just place the IP address, external IP address. Here is the external IP address. Just copy it from here and then paste it here and then press connect. Here we just connect it. It will be connected soon. Here again it will ask us from the username. Username is a student provided here. Just copy it here and paste the username here, and he asks for password. Password is given there, and we just copy the password from here and paste it here, and then OK, press OK, and it will be connecting. And here's the remote desktop connection certificate. You just press the yes. When you press the yes, then it will be live on the cloud, and here it is going on the cloud. Here the welcome student. Here is the password. It was opening, loading on the cloud. Here it will come. There is the VLC player, Google Chrome. Press yes. For the time being, this is not our concern. I just this is the server manager setting. It will loading here. I just close it here from here. Now it's closed, and I have to download the first. I have to install the VLC Media Player. What to do is Firefox Mozilla. I have to install the Mozilla Firefox. Just copy the link and open Chrome here. Just paste the into here. I think there is a network problem. just in the search in the Google. If that link is not working, you just go to the Mozilla Firefox website and then click the download button. It will be downloaded soon. Here it is downloaded, and now I run this, running the setup, and press yes. It will be installing. Now it's installing, taking little bit time. I've just now it's downloaded, and now we can check our, just close it. And close it again. Here it is installed. Now I can verify it. Now I check my progress. It will be correctly installed, and here it is, my 10 marks shown here. I have successfully done this Mozilla Firefox. Now I have to create the another program. Here I just search for the programs. Programs and feature, here it is. Just click it here. Here I just delete this one and update the VLC Media Player, this one. Okay, to do this I have to, now it's time to do the another, to update the software. Okay, here is the VLC Media Player. I just copy the link for that and just here, and a second step to update the software. I just download the VLC player setup, download VLC. I think this is not the VLC, it's a ad. I just download here the VLC player, this one. I have to just click it, yes, English, next, next, next. It's installing the VLC player. I don't want to run it. Here. Now guys, I'll show you here. I update the folder. Now I check it here, check my progress. Just click on it and it will be 100% right. Now we have to uninstall the another program. Here just write it here, programs and future. Here it is. Uninstall first one. Just right click it and press the uninstall. Are you sure? Yeah. Successfully uninstall from your computer. Okay guys, that's our task completed. Now we check the progress over here. I check the progress. Here you will see our score will be 30 out of 30. Here you can see it changes live, and this is now I close this one, and this is the way how you can perform this lab. Install, update and remove the software from the menu. Thank you for watching and keep on watching. Coming for another lab which same, we do the task same for the Linux in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.